Have you ever hit your horn and wondered if anyone actually heard it? The truth is, most factory car horns sound weak, forgettable, and easy to ignore. And in today's traffic, that's not just frustrating. It can be a safety issue. So in this video, we're counting down 5 loud car horns that can help you get noticed on the road. Some are compact, some sound like a train, and one surprised me with how much performance it delivers for the money. And stick around until the end, because my #1 pick offers the best combination of loudness, durability, and value. If you want to check out any of the horns mentioned today, you'll find all the links in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the A Premium Dual Snail horn. If you're looking for a simple upgrade from a weak factory horn without spending much money, this is a solid option. It produces up to 110 decibels and uses a dual tone high and low frequency design that sounds much richer than many stock horns. The housing combines ABS and metal construction, offering good durability along with waterproof protection for year-round use. Installation is straightforward, and it's compatible with most passenger cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even electric vehicles. The pros include affordable pricing, easy installation, and reliable dual-tone sound. The cons include lower volume compared to the air horns higher on this list. At number 4, we have the FARBIN 12-volt dual-tone horn. This compact snail-style horn is designed for drivers who want strong sound without taking up much space. Despite its small size, it delivers an impressive claimed output of 130 decibels. The waterproof housing and ABS construction make it a practical choice for daily drivers exposed to rain and harsh weather. I also like the fact that it fits a wide variety of vehicles, from cars and trucks to ATVs and motorcycles. The pros include compact size, waterproof construction, and strong output for the size. The cons include plastic construction that doesn't feel as premium as some higher ranked options. At number 3, we have the HK Dual Trumpet Air Horn Kit. This is where things start getting serious. With a claimed output of up to 150 decibels, this horn is designed to grab attention instantly. The dual trumpet setup produces a deep, aggressive tone that sounds much more like a truck horn than a traditional car horn. The chrome-plated zinc construction and upgraded compressor also help it stand out from many budget alternatives. If you're after maximum road presence without spending a fortune, this is definitely worth considering. The pros include very loud output, strong metal construction, and a deep train-style sound. The cons include requiring more installation space than compact horns. At number 2, we have the CARFKA Airtrain Horn Kit. This horn delivers the kind of sound that people simply don't ignore. It uses a powerful compressor combined with dual trumpets to produce an extremely aggressive warning tone. The zinc construction, copper coil, and weather-resistant design make it suitable for long-term use in a wide range of driving conditions. What really impressed me is the balance between price and performance. You get serious volume without spending a premium price. The pros include excellent value, a powerful compressor, and an aggressive train horn sound. The cons include installation taking more effort than standard electric horns. And finally, at number 1, we have the GAMPRO 150 decibel air horn. If your goal is getting noticed immediately, this horn is hard to beat. It features an 18-inch chrome-plated zinc trumpet paired with a high-speed copper compressor capable of reaching up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. The result is an extremely loud and clear blast that cuts through traffic with ease. What pushed it ahead of the competition is its combination of strong construction, impressive volume, easy installation kit, and outstanding customer feedback. With thousands of positive reviews and compatibility across cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, and off-road vehicles, it delivers the complete package. The pros include extremely loud output, durable metal construction, excellent customer ratings, and a complete installation kit. The cons include requiring sufficient mounting space. Every horn on this list offers a noticeable improvement over a typical factory horn. If you're on a tight budget, the A Premium and FARBIN are great choices. If you want serious train horn performance, the HK and CARFKA deliver impressive results. But if I had to choose just one overall winner, the GAMPRO stands out as the best combination of loudness, quality, and value. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more automotive product reviews. And don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.